It's a wonderful day in the neighborhood. A wonderful day in the neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor? Hello there, boys and girls. Today, we're going to make pizza on the Blackstone. Can you say mozzarella, boys and girls? I knew that you could. Raja, are you ready to go? Are you ready for pizza? Pizza cat. Okay, we got some crusts. We got some pizza, or some pizza cheese. We got some salami. We got one of the better pizza sauces because it was on sale one day. We got some seasonings. We got my son. We got Bob supervising the making of burgers and punditry. And let's get started. Okay, we're starting off with some salami. Wait, I better test it just to make sure it's safe to eat. Okay, good. This is an alternative to the pepperoni. Or ham, or mortadella, or whatever fancy word you want to use. Won't take long, and probably end up burning it or something. I got my big spatula out today. Da-da-da. Just wanted something different from pepperoni this time, just because. Let's flip you over. Oh, you didn't flip. You pretended to flip. There we go. See, they're cupping on me. Don't you hate it when they cup on you? Getting a nice little sear. The sun's setting. That's why you're at a weird angle and I'm at a weird angle. I'm trying not to block your view. But if I do, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Get off of there. What's wrong with you? Nice thing about the big spatula is it sits. My other spatulas, the regular griddle and spatulas, they don't fit so well. So, getting a good crisp, Pull that aside. Just lay it here on the doodad, my platter. And now, as an experiment, one day, what day? Oh, I did burgers and buns. And I ran out of my butter, mayonnaise. Well, I didn't run out. There's a whole big thing. The butter and mayonnaise and ranch or ranch that I usually use, I didn't have out here. But I had Pam, and it was fantastic. It worked better than anything else. This is butter flavored. And I'm just going to spray a little on here. It made a nice little crust on the buns. I mean, like the best crust I've had yet. So this was a happy little accident, as Bob, the artist guy, would say. And yeah, we'll try that. In fact, let's go ahead and spray the bottom while we're at it. We don't want to burn anything, of course. Let's see. Got the griddle turned down pretty low, but yeah, we'll go a little bit. I want that crust. We want that sear, the char that you can only get on a Blackstone or a pizza oven or something similar, cast iron. But we prefer our, oh yeah, look at that. Whoa. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. I didn't do too many salamis, because sometimes my lovely assistant doesn't like them, and I'm only going to put them on one of these. And if she does want some, I can throw them on the griddle and heat them up for her. Right. Right. Okay, let's check the bottom. Huh? A little bit more. Just a little. Actually, that's probably good for now. But look how nice the top came out. Yeah, I'm smoking a little bit. I need a good cleaning on the griddle. That's what that means. So, let's zoom over here. And hopefully we don't block things too much or the sun doesn't. Okay. Let's shake it up. Got a good shake there. Rouse's. I haven't actually tried the Rouse pizza sauce, but when we find their pasta sauces on sale, by gosh, we stock up. Because it's good stuff. Oh, this smells so tomatoey. You know, I think last time I made pizza, it's been a while. Quite a while. Last year sometime, I think. Maybe. Maybe this year. I don't know. I'm old. I have a bad memory. But I think I realized at the last minute that I had no sauce, so I made my own. It came out okay. So, sun's trying to get away. Wow, that spreads perfectly. Smells tomatoey. Oh, I guess I need to tear before I open. This is cheese blend, mozzarella, smoke-flavored provolone, parmesan, and romano. So we got a good blend. And this one will be mine. Now, one mistake I used to make is trying to do all this on the griddle after I charred the top side. I'd flip it over and start trying to add the toppings, and then it would end up burnt before I could even get the cheese on hardly. So I learned that lesson the hard way. Oh, good. And my lovely assistant likes the cheese. So instead of salami, she's getting the cheese. Okay, we got the cheese. And Italian seasoning really gives you a nice flavor. So, and instead of red pepper flakes, Trader Joe's green and red Hatch chili flakes. It's so good. I put this stuff on almost everything. Seriously, it's not as hot as red pepper, but still gives you nice flavor. She's not a pepper person, but just a little, just to give it believe. So we'll go salamize. There we go. Don't they look good? Yes, they do. Don't argue. And we'll get mine. And we'll get hers, and I'll move you in a sec. Don't complain. Okay, here we go. Now you can see the pizza. Are you happy? Cleaning all the time. Where? Party hats for the pizzas. AKA cheese melting domes. And it should hopefully only take a few minutes. I've got it turned down pretty low. I don't want to burn the pizza trying to get the cheese melted. And hold on just a sec. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's take a look. Ooh, mine's just about done. And the cheese will continue to melt. So, no reason to panic, and I don't want it to burn. Oh, it's perfect brown, so just look at that. Don't want to drop it. I better put it down. Let's check out the extra cheese. Oh, look how perfect. Turn off the griddle. Like I said, it will melt for another minute or two, too. So no reason to panic for the unpopped kernels. I know they're not kernels. Unmelted. Just looky there, looky there. Huh? Good stuff, good stuff. In case you didn't believe me, look at the cheese melted now. It does continue to melt. Yum, yum. The crust is just right. I'm hungry now. So, a successful pizza after a pizza hiatus on the Blackstone. We're going to go eat. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!